Hello guys, so in this video we will talk about what is Nodemon and how it will be helpful for us in Node.js. So let's start. Before starting with Nodemon, I just want to show you guys what we are trying to achieve here. So as we can see, this is our Express server which we have discussed earlier. If you guys don't know about that, you should see my previous video first. Link is in the description. Now, if we start this server, node index, we can see that we have sent this context hello express with the status code 200 here. Also, if we check our web browser, localhost 3000, we can see the exact same context as we have written here. Now the problem is, suppose if we change our mind and remove this express and write server, it will not get updated automatically on our web browser. Hello express. Even if we refresh the page, the context is still same. I hope the problem is clear. Now let's discuss about how Nodemon will help us here. So Nodemon is a tool that helps you develop Node.js based applications by automatically restarting the Node.js application when file changes in the directory are detected. Basically, in short, when Nodemon will find any changes in the code base, it will get restarted automatically. Now let's start with the implementation part. First, we have to install Nodemon. For that, we have this command npm install Nodemon, and the Nodemon is installed. Next, we have to go in package.json. Here, as we can see, Nodemon is installed with the version 2.0.19. Now, for using Nodemon, we have to create a new script inside these scripts. Let's say I'm giving the key start, and here I'm using Nodemon node index. Earlier we were using node index when we have to run our server. Now we are using Nodemon node index. Now let's test this command npm run start. Also, one more thing, when we have to run any of the scripts inside these scripts, we have to include run with the npm. So the command is npm run start. Now if we execute this command, we have some logs, and at the end it will get executed node index.js. Server is running on port 3000. Now let's test. Inside index.js, we already have hello server. If we check in localhost 3000, it will automatically get changed. And let's say if we change this again, the server will automatically get executed, automatically get restarted. And if we refresh the page, we get hello express. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section. Thank you so much.